everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for ProtonMail account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in proton.me and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Proton, which looks like this. Proton is a new email domain launched by Proton AG. It provides easy to use encrypted email, calendar, file storage, and VPN build. From the official webpage, click on the Create a Free Account button in order to sign up for a new account. Go ahead and pick the plan for yourself or business by selecting one of the options right here and select a plan that is suitable for you. You can go ahead and use the free version of Proton by clicking on this Get Proton for Free button and get started with the standard version. If you'd like to subscribe to Mail Plus with premium features available on your account, you can click the Get Mail Plus button. To get unlimited access for Proton, click on the third option and follow through the instructions. If you want to go ahead and get started for free, then click the first one and then on the next page, select a username for yourself, write it down in the first text box and on the next field, type in a password for yourself, which is at least 8 characters long. Repeat the password in the last text box again and click on Create Account. You'll need to go through the verification process. Click on I'm a human over here and select your display name. If you want to make any changes to your display name, write it down right here and click Next. Now, if you ever need to reset your account, you'll need a recovery phone number or email address. Select whether you'd like to add a recovery phone number by choosing the first option. Select your country from the drop down and enter a valid phone number. If you want to use the email address for recovery, you can go ahead and click on this second option only. Now enter a recovery email address which is available to you and click on Save Selected. You'll be able to see this kind of a pop-up. Go through the tour by clicking on the Next button and select a theme for your account. Click Next, and once you've completed, you'll be able to see that you've successfully created a new account and you're in the main inbox page for ProtonMail. That is how you can easily sign up for ProtonMail in a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.